Right guys, I'm Matt Payne. Hopefully you know who I am. I'm unboxing my, this lovely 1/18 scale ANZAC edition from Taupō last year, where we got 2 wins as well as won the JR trophy as well. So definitely one of my favourite cars that I've raced. Basically, to start off, there's a little JR trophy in here. I'll zoom it into the camera. You guys, is that in focus? Right there. Awesome little trophy. That's the actual, not the real one. And then here we go. It's already cut. There it is. This was obviously a very special livery because of the ANZAC weekend. So we did a cool commemoration on the bonnet to obviously honour the ANZAC appeal, which I actually remember seeing a lot of cars at Pukekohe Raceway back in the day run an ANZAC appeal livery. But very fortunate that I was able to drive one and also win the Saturday race and win the Sunday race to get the JR trophy. Probably, honestly, one of my favourite, I really wanted to win the JR trophy. It was honestly along there with the Peterbrock trophy as well. So there's the mini one. I'm going to try and take this out as carefully as I can. Being very careful here. Not a mechanic. There we go. Voila, and here it is. Oh, it looks even better out of the box. Honestly, I really love the color scheme that we ran for this, all black, obviously with the tiger pattern in the background. And yeah, with the beautiful ANZAC wreath on the bonnet, as well as the Least We Forget on the back. And to be fair, honestly, being a Kiwi, the ANZAC appeal is obviously very important to us as well. So yeah, awesome. We could run this on the car. Won the JR trophy as well to go with it. So couldn't have asked for a better weekend and couldn't have asked for a better model as well. Oh, that'll work. Couldn't have asked for a better model. So there you go. One of my favorites.